Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we continue to see an increase in clouds across the Greater Antilles. Because we have a weakening high pressure ridge across the general area, we also have an intensifying, but still very south in the southern portion of the basin. We still have that tropical wave that is moving through the area, so it's helping to generate some isolated areas of convergence, which does affect the Jamaica area as well, especially in the afternoons with some isolated showers and thunderstorms. We're expecting continued conditions over the area. We do also have another tropical wave that is moving through the area sometime in the afternoon on Friday. Another forecast for tonight. It's expected to be generally fair across most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to 25 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Northerly winds on the south coast and northeasterly winds on the north coast, both at 5 knots. Expect generally sunny conditions in the morning tomorrow, and then for the afternoon, expect isolated showers and thunderstorms mainly across inland areas and southern parishes. Temperatures are averaging 34 degrees Celsius. That's maximum 34 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. It's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across the southeast tomorrow. That's Morant Bay, Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, as well as Spanish Town and Maypen. You could see some shower activity if you're in Mandeville, in Santa Cruz, or in Savannah Lamar. Isolated showers are also likely for Montego Bay and Falmouth. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions are likely across the northeast, including St. Anne's Bay as well as Ocherias, Port Marie and Port Antonio, but shower activity is likely in Golden Spring, also in Moco, in Christiana, as well as in Duncans and Cay Valley. Now, over the next few days, there are isolated showers and thunderstorms forecast for central and western parishes on Thursday, for northern sections of the island on Friday, and then for central and western parishes as well as inland areas on Saturday. For the marine forecast, winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots on the north coast tomorrow. The wave heights are getting up to 2 meters. While for inshore areas on the south coast, the winds are east-southeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then a small craft warning is in effect for offshore areas. The winds are anywhere between 20 and 25 knots from the east, wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. And then on Friday, we're expecting the winds out of the east-southeast in offshore areas, speeds between 15 and 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. Conditions continue on Saturday and Sunday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 6:26. Sunset at Negril Point, 6:32. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.